In this video, I'll show you how to create a bundle page with AI in a few minutes. They increase average order value, make the buying decision easier, and help customers by grouping products that work well together. The problem is that creating a good bundle page is really difficult. You need to come up with good copy, design, the discounts, the product logic, and usually a competent developer to put it all together. However, Fudge changes this completely, and I'll show you how in just 2 minutes. Open up the Shopify App Store. I'll also put the links in the comments, and then enter in Fudge, click on Fudge over there, and open it up. You can create just about anything in Fudge. Landing pages, articles, sections, and quizzes. But for this video, I'm just going to select Bundle Builder. It's busy loading all of the skills it needs to build a best-in-class Bundle Builder page. Remember, it also has all of the context it needs. It knows your exact design, all of your products, and what's worked in the past. It's going to ask me a few clarifying questions, which I'm going to answer over here. Let's take a look. For this, I'm going to select tops and bottoms. And then for this next one, let's go with tiered percentage off. It's now looking for the different collections that I've asked it to include, and it's come up with a few additional questions for me, which I'm just going to go here and click through, just so that it has all of the information it needs to build the bundle. Let's go with 2 to 5 items for this one. No, I don't want to include a subscription. Okay, we're nearly there. You see how easy this is? For the different discounts, I just need to let it know exactly how much I'm willing to give. So that's what I'm doing over here. For the 5 items, I've selected 30% off. Okay, great. There is the bundle page outline. I'm going to now ask it to go ahead and build this. Oh, wait, it's got one more question. Let's just answer this. I'm going to ask it for a curated section because I don't want it to include everything. That's a bit overwhelming. Perfect. I'm happy with this plan. Go ahead and build it. I've opened up the bundle builder page that we've just created in the Fudge editor. As you can see, everything is on brand and it works out the box. Let's take a look. I'm going to add select a size here, add it to the bundle. Here you can see that item. Let's also select one here to qualify for the first discount of 10%. Remember, that's what we set up at the beginning. If you have 2 items, that's how much you get off. 15% for 3 items and 30% for 5. Remember, in the editor, you can also make any changes. You can either do that inline by selecting this and making them over here by actually typing something in, or you can click here on the right-hand side and ask the Fudge agent to do it for you. There's no limit to what's possible. Once you're happy, you can click here on the left side to review the changes and publish it to your live store so your customers can start using it. How easy was that? I would love to hear from you about bundle builders that you've built and share some of the insights that you've gotten from it. Remember, if there are any cool ones out there that you really like, you can also share the link with Fudge and ask it to build one for your store using your products and your brand. If there's anything else you would like to know, please reach out. And if you're interested in more of these types of videos, subscribe below. Until next time, cheers.